Model, 69 plate Peugeot partner Berlingo professional L1 Bhdi spares or repairs 3-seater. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 96,717. MOT, the 13th of October 2025. Engine, 1499 cc DV5RE. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, timing belt has slipped. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Easy fix for the right person. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.